The next option, Optimize Game Object, basically means Unity will use its own internal skeleton system in order to animate the character and will hide the transform of your current bone structures in the avatar which we are about to create. So I'm going to show you an example of this. First of all, I'm going to create a duplicate of this FBX file, and I'm going to do the same things over here, and in this one I'm going to optimize the game objects and click on the apply button. And if I bring this character into the scene, so you will notice that all the bone transforms have been hidden and it is not accessible to us anymore. So Unity is going to use its own internal skeleton system in order to move this character. So if I go to our model again and click on humanoid, and this time I'm not gonna optimize the game objects, and click on the apply button, you will notice that our character still has all the bone structures over here, or the bone transform over here. Now in many cases you will need these bone transforms in order to access a specific bone of your characters. So let's say you wanna place a gun in the hand of the character. In that case you need to get to the hand bone of the character and put a gun over there. Or you can also use IK as a more advanced method, but I'm going to talk about IK in the future videos. But a simple way is that you can put any transform in the hand bone and that particular object will move with the hand. However, you can also expose certain bones which you need. So let's say that you're sure that your character needs only the hand bones or the hip bones. In that case, you can expose those specific bones or the bone transform. So let's say you want the hip bone to be exposed and the right hand and the left hand bones to be exposed because you want to put a certain object in the hand of the character. In that case, you can definitely do that as well. So if I go to the spine, so this is the hand bone and I'm just gonna click on the tick over here. Similarly, you can go to the left hand bone and tick that one as well. Now, Unity is going to expose these three bones for you in order to use it the way you would like to, and then hit on the apply button. Now you will see that we only have access to these three bones which we ticked over there. So it's totally your use case and how you would like to animate a character and what are the options you would like to be exposed. So if you're new and you're just learning animation, then I would suggest you can leave it unticked and then hit on the apply button so that you have access to all the bones, and in that way you will be able to understand how everything works out. Also, optimize game objects improve performance as mentioned by the Unity documentation, so you might want to do it if possible. So in this case I'm gonna leave it the way it is right now and hit on the apply button.